Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the most fascinating parts of nutrition, the psychology of eating and how to control cravings. Because even the best meal plan won't work if your mind and habits aren't aligned with your goals. Let's start with the truth. Cravings are normal. Everyone experiences them. They're your brain's way of seeking comfort, energy, or reward, not just food. The key is understanding why cravings happen so you can manage them without guilt or stress. Cravings often come from three main triggers: physical, emotional, and environmental. Physical cravings happen when your body truly needs something. Maybe you skipped meals or didn't eat enough protein or fiber, leading to dips in blood sugar. Emotional cravings, on the other hand, come from feelings like stress, boredom, or sadness. Food becomes a way to soothe emotions rather than fuel the body. Environmental cravings happen because of cues, seeing an ad, smelling cookies baking, or simply walking past your favorite coffee shop. The first step to control cravings is awareness. Start noticing your triggers. Ask yourself, am I hungry or am I just responding to stress or habit? If it's true hunger, eat a balanced meal or snack with protein and fiber. If it's emotional, try addressing the feeling. Take a walk, breathe deeply, or distract yourself for 10 minutes. Most cravings fade when you give them space. Next, understand the power of dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. When you eat something highly palatable like sweets or fried foods, dopamine spikes, creating a temporary pleasure response. The more often this happens, the more your brain associates that food with comfort. You can rewire this by pairing healthy habits with positive reinforcement. For example, feel proud and reward yourself with relaxation, not food, when you stick to your meal plan. Over time, your brain learns new patterns of reward. Another important concept is restriction backlash. When you label foods as off-limits, your brain starts obsessing over them. Instead, practice mindful flexibility. Give yourself permission to enjoy treats in moderation, guilt-free. When nothing is forbidden, cravings lose their power. Let's talk about mindful eating. This practice helps you reconnect with your body's natural hunger and fullness signals. Before eating, take a moment to pause and check in with yourself. Eat slowly, without screens, and notice the flavors, textures, and aromas. The goal isn't to eat perfectly, it's to eat consciously. When you eat mindfully, your brain actually registers satisfaction, making overeating less likely. Next, plan ahead for your cravings. If you know you crave sweets in the evening, plan a healthy dessert, like Greek yogurt with fruit or dark chocolate. Anticipating your cravings makes them easier to manage than fighting them in the moment. Hydration also plays a huge role. Many times, thirst feels like hunger. Try drinking a glass of water first. If you're still hungry after 10 minutes, it's probably genuine hunger. Sleep is another hidden factor. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones and reduces impulse control, making you more likely to crave sugar or fast food. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It's one of the best appetite regulators there is. Stress management is equally critical. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that increases cravings for comfort foods. Activities like walking, journaling, or even deep breathing can help keep cortisol levels balanced. Finally, remember this: cravings aren't signs of weakness, they're signals. Your body and brain are trying to tell you something. Maybe you need rest, hydration, protein, or emotional comfort. When you learn to listen instead of fight, you gain control. Over time, healthy choices become automatic and cravings lose their grip. Here's your key takeaway. Awareness, balance, and self-compassion are more powerful than willpower. When you understand your triggers and plan for them, you turn eating from an emotional reaction into a mindful choice. In the next lecture, we'll explore how to manage your time effectively to make meal planning fit seamlessly into your busy life. Let's keep building your system for success.